Did you know that passion fruit is packed with more antioxidants than many superfoods? Plus, it's a delicious way to boost your immunity and digestion. But what makes this exotic fruit so special? Let's find out. Welcome to Hella Vegan Eats TV. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of passion fruit, a tropical treasure with a unique flavor and an impressive nutritional profile. Not only is passion fruit delicious, but it's also a powerhouse of vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber that can do wonders for your health. Whether you've never tried it or are curious about its benefits, this video will give you everything you need to know about why passion fruit deserves a spot in your diet. Getting enough vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber in your daily diet can be a challenge, especially when many of us reach for processed or convenience foods. While we're aware of common fruits like apples, bananas, and oranges, we often overlook nutrient-dense tropical fruits like passion fruit. This little gem is not only packed with health benefits but is also an easy and flavorful way to improve your diet. So, why aren't more people including passion fruit in their meals? It's often because they don't know its potential, or they're unsure how to use it. That's exactly why we're breaking it all down in this video. Let's talk about the amazing health benefits of passion fruit. Rich in vitamin C, passion fruit is an excellent source of vitamin C, which boosts your immune system, supports healthy skin, and acts as a powerful antioxidant. Loaded with antioxidants, antioxidants in passion fruit, like beta-carotene and polyphenols, help fight free radicals, reducing inflammation and protecting against chronic diseases. Supports digestive health. Thanks to its high fiber content, passion fruit promotes regular bowel movements and supports a healthy gut microbiome. The seeds are particularly good for digestion. Improves heart health. Passion fruit contains potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and fiber, which can lower cholesterol levels, promoting overall cardiovascular health. Promotes better sleep. Passion fruit contains medicinal alkaloids, which are known to have calming effects and may help improve sleep quality. Ways to incorporate passion fruit into your diet: scoop it out and eat it fresh for a quick snack. Blend it into smoothies for a tropical twist. Add it to yogurt or oatmeal for a nutrient boost. Use the pulp in salad dressings, sauces, or desserts for a tangy flavor. With so many options, it's easy to make passion fruit a part of your daily routine. Here's a quick story to show how passion fruit can make a difference. A friend of mine, Sarah, was dealing with frequent colds and low energy levels. She started adding passion fruit to her smoothies every morning, thanks to its high vitamin C and antioxidant content. Within just a few weeks, she noticed a big improvement. Not only did she feel more energized, but her immune system was stronger, and her skin looked brighter. Sarah's story is a perfect example of how small dietary changes, like adding passion fruit, can lead to big health benefits. To recap, passion fruit is a nutrient-packed superfood with incredible benefits. It's rich in vitamin C for immunity and skin health. Packed with antioxidants to fight inflammation and aging. Supports digestion with its high fiber content. Boosts heart health and promotes better sleep. Whether you enjoy it fresh, blend it into smoothies, or as part of your favorite recipes, passion fruit is an easy and delicious way to improve your overall health. Have you tried passion fruit before? Share your experiences or favorite recipes in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos on healthy fruits and superfoods. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.